Okay, so next I'll show you when an order comes, how we make that order. I don't know if Lucy will allow me to make it. Lucy, will you allow me to make it with this dress? A salad. When a salad comes, will you allow me to make it with this dress so that I can show? No. Then someone will make it, and I'll make the video how an order is processed. So stay tuned. When an order comes, I'll be back. Came here, and this is the order. You see. So yeah. So in the order it is written what to put, and that's how everything is. Okay, you see this. So when this rings every 20 minutes we have to wash our hands when this rings. Okay, so here halloumi is put because it was in the ingredient list. Then that was the base, and now it is turn for putting the veggies. So carrot, then these are croutons, then these are sweet pepper pearls. So whatever is written in the list, that we have to put in the salad. Tomatoes, these are tortilla chips, and I think this one is the final. This is the cucumber and mint mixed, you can see. Yeah, this is done, and then it's time to toss. So while tossing we put, if chili flakes and salt and pepper, if it is mentioned, then we put. You can see the list is here. See, here is the list. But sadly, this, avocado. So one fact, here in British there will be avocado in every salad. They are just obsessed with avocados. Don't mind, I like avocado will be in every salad. So unfortunately we didn't have any sauce or dressing in this, so I couldn't show you. These are the dressings here, all type of dressing. Okay, so then when it is tossed, we put it in the in the box, we fill it, and then we put the lids on it. These are the lids. Sometimes it gets overflowed like this. So then comes the biggest struggle to put the lid on it, and you will see how we press things inside. There you go. And bam. Yeah. Okay, then we tape it from all the sides, and then we put it in the bags. These are the bags. As I was saying, so here we have the dressings. Also I saw there we need a sparkling water. So sparkling water is here. There you go. And you see here we have this drinks, that is Coke, Diet Coke. Here we have Coke bottles, Diet Coke bottles, coconut water, normal water, and sparkling water. Sparkling water, if in India you can't understand, I also didn't understand, it's just soda. And here we have, the chicken, grilled chicken, and then here we have halloumi. Yeah, here we have halloumi. So this is how salad is made, and we have some more things. Here we make wraps. You see, here we have the wrap bread, and wrap menus. So if in the meantime any wrap is made, I'll show you. Here it's empty now, but here we make the hot food. You can see here what hot food means. So everything is hot, like the sauce is hot, and then we put, as I was telling, super grains. Super grains is here. You see, these are the super grains. show you. So this is the one for hot food that we make, and yeah, also we have the chips as well. Okay, so this was everything that we do here. This is where I work, my permanent part-time. So I work 20 hours here, and yeah, this is how all of it goes. But now you can see only 3 of them are here, and because it's kind of quiet for now, because it's the evening. As I said, we are busy in the lunchtime. My shift is done, so she didn't let me make those because we have uniforms. I will put a picture of mine in the thumbnail. That's the uniform. So without the uniform we cannot do anything. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my video as soon as I post it. You can also connect with me on Instagram, that is neil.maddy11. With any doubts you have, or you can put it in the comments section. I'll surely reply to it. So till then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.